If each installment is the same, you can use the function PV. Equal PV, the first argument is the interest rate per period. The second argument is the number of periods. Third argument is the installment amount. The fourth argument, you can leave it blank unless you have a lump sum payment at the end of the installment plan. The fifth argument, you can ignore it if your first installment is due on the last day of the first period, i.e. you need it to be discounted. Otherwise, if the first installment is due at inception, it will be 1. Do note that PV function returns present value in the opposite directions of the installment amount. Alternatively, or if you have inconsistent installment, you can use the function NPV. Equal NPV. The first argument is the interest rate per period. The second argument is the installments. If your first installment is due at inception, you will notice that there is a difference. The NPV functions assume that the cash flows happen at the end of each period. So if your first installment is at the inception, you need to tweak the function slightly. There are 2 workarounds. Pick one that is more intuitive to you. Workaround number 1. NPV function in a way over discount the cash flows by 1 period in this context. What you need is to undo the over discounting by 1 period. You just need to multiply the NPV by 1 plus interest rate for a period. Workaround number 2. Ignore the first installment, get the NPV for the next 23 periods. Then add the first installment at inception manually without discount.